Guys, we made it to Singapore after our 13-hour flight. Rob, how are you feeling?
Good.
Freaking tired, but we're just gonna have a wander around and have a chill day today. Okay, we've actually woke up from a 4-hour nap, so we're all like freshened up. The weather is actually really nice. I don't know if you can see behind me. It doesn't really show. But yeah, woke up from a 4-hour nap, so we checked in at the hostel at like 9 AM, but our room wasn't ready until 2. So yeah, by the time we got back to the room at 2, it was absolutely knackered, so we had like a little 4-hour nap. Now we're just ready to go out for the evening, get some food, and I'll show you what we get. Okay, so we've come back to the hawker centre this evening that we came to earlier, just walking around. And for dinner we've got some white rice, some pak choy, some okra, and I think this is fried beancurd. It's an all vegetarian vegan stall. As you can see around, there's like loads of different ones. So yeah, this was £2.80. So for a big plate of food, you say it was like £1.60.
About £1.60, yeah.
£1.60. So we're going to tuck in and enjoy this. Day 2 in Singapore, and today we are doing the
Bukit Timah?
Nature Reserve.
Hopefully I didn't butcher that name. Probably
Yeah,
did.
Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. So we've been to Singapore, is this our third? Yeah, 3 times. So we've done all the touristy bits, so we're just doing all the little nature reserves and trails. So we're a bit out of the city at the moment, but I don't know how long it's meant to take us.
No, I thought it was going to be flat, but it looks
Looks like
like
the
we're
first
about to
bit
climb a mountain.
is a bit of a hill and it's 31 degrees, so we'll see how we get on. But we're well rested after our sleep. Had a bit of food, so we're ready, yeah?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's do it. Oh, do we choose a route?
You are here. Yeah.
So what route are we doing? Route 4, are we doing that?
Oh, I don't know. Well, we could
Obviously
see what it's
we
like.
have to choose the most difficult one. Oh, it goes all the way.
Yeah, how long does it say? Did it say how long they are? It doesn't really, does it? Oh, we'll try and get up to the summit. And then we can, all the summit ones, look.
It all goes the same until here, then we can see how long that takes
Yeah.
us. Knowing us, we'll probably carry on.
Probably.
Okay, update on the walk. We've got to the summit bit, but there's not actually a view. So we just climbed 5,000 steps. Not actually 5,000, but we just climbed some steep load of steps, thinking that we're going to get to a nice view of the summit. And there's a hut that just says Bukit Timah. Is it Timah? Tamar Summit. So yeah, nice view. So we've done the summit part, which was no view whatsoever. So we've carried on.
So miserable.
So we've carried on for another little loop. It says it's meant to take an hour and a half, but
It's only 1,600 metres, so
don't really understand how that works out.
hour and a half for a mile seems kind of a long time, but guess we'll see.
But it's a cute little trail, like a little rainforest. We're still looking out to see our monkeys, but no luck so far. But we'll let you know how long the little loop trail is.
So we just finished the dairy trail, or dairy farm loop. Said it took an hour and a half, but
It took
it
us,
was about 35 minutes. But there was a lot of stairs, and
this
now
is the end.
we are dripping, absolutely dripping. That wetness, soaked.
It's alright though, half
It's all right.
hour.
Yeah, it's good.
Still got to get to the visitor centre, so we've still got to go up some more stairs.
So we're gonna go that way.
Guys, we found a monkey right at the end of our walk. That's what we think it is. I heard someone say flying squirrel though. I think it's a monkey. I'm zoomed in.
It's a sloth.
Yeah. Okay, we're now at the Singapore Botanic Gardens. We've just got here now. Rob's got the old map. Just gonna have a little walk around here before. Are we gonna get some food after?
Yeah. Oh, I'm hungry. Yeah.
Before we get a bit of food, so we're just going to have a little wander around the Botanic Gardens. Back at the hawker centre that we came to last night and back at the same stand. Rob and I both got the same. We got some white rice, some tofu, okra and some green beans. Once again for $2.80. Day 3 in Singapore, so it's Monday the 27th. We are currently climbing Mount Faber. It's Mount Faber, yeah?
Yep.
So we'll see if we get a view today, as
Hopefully.
yesterday didn't quite happen. So yeah, once again, we're starting our day really late as we decide to climb mountains at 12:18.
And someone overslept.
I didn't oversleep.
Yep.
We still made it to breakfast, so it's all good. So we're just currently climbing this, so we'll let you know when we're at the top, and hopefully we could treat you guys with a view as well. As we made it to the top, it's literally only like 5 minutes later than before, but I'm going to show you the little view that we've come to. Actually, we're now at Henderson Wave Bridge, which is basically a bridge that looks like a wave. You can't really see here. There's Rob Hayrock. And here's the view. What's our next stop?
Southern Ridges. But we're on the Henderson Waves.
That's it, Southern Ridges. That's where we're off to now.
Snake.
Oh my god, there's a snake.
That made me jump.
I don't know if you can see.
Mate, it's so blended. Look at it.
Oh my
Slithering
god, we just nearly stood on it.
Can you even see it anymore? I can't even
It's
see
gone,
it.
it's gone.
Where's it gone though?
It's like gone down on the
Oh my god, that made me jump.
You made me
And
jump.
then you jumped and then it shit itself, didn't it? And then it
Because you literally like kind of just all of a sudden stop. Later now, and we are currently walking towards the Marina Barrage for the sunset. We've got our soy milk when we get up the top to drink, and there's the Marina Bay Sands behind us. For the Marina Barrage. The sun's actually gone behind the clouds, so I don't know how much sunset we're going to see, but we still see the beautiful view of Gardens by the Bay, Marina Bay Sands, and over this way in the background the Ferris wheel. We're just chilling on the grass, going to drink our soy milk.